Hello everyone, this is Mirvat, and for today's video I'm going to show you how I made these 3 crafts. For my first craft, I'm going to use this whiteboard easel that I got from Dollar Tree. Here is my decal. I got it from Design Bundles. While reading, I lost some of the letters, but I added them later. Now, since my decal is ready, I started first removing this hanging piece and cleaned the board with some rubbing alcohol. And here is my decal, ready to be transferred to the easel. To transfer my decal, I usually use the parchment paper method. And here, I'm double checking with my measuring tape. After making sure that everything was placed correctly, here I removed the parchment paper. I sped up this part here, but always remove your transfer tape slowly and gently. All what I have to do here is to add the rest of my decal. And that's it. For my second craft, I used this wood round from Dollarama. Here is my decal. I got it from Design Bundle. Here I'm using the parchment paper method and double checking with my measuring tape. After that, now I can remove the parchment paper. To protect the paint, remove the transfer tape slowly. And here I'm placing the last piece of my decal. Now I will be adding a ribbon as a hanger, but this part is optional. Since the sign is not really heavy, I used here hot glue. Adding this last piece of ribbon here only to make the back of the sign looks more finished. And this is how it turned out. For my last craft, I used 12-ounce mug. I cleaned it with some rubbing alcohol. Here is my design. And I secured it with heat-resistant tape. When you put the mug in the press, always keep the handle centered and make sure that the design is covered under the green part. Now the mug will be very hot. To protect your desk, you have to put it on a heat press mat or a silicone mat. and let it cool completely. And that's it. What do you think? That's it, everyone. These are my crafts for this week. I hope you liked them. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, write them for me in the comments below and I will answer them. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.